Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanna talk about degrees and radians. What they actually are, why we even have both systems, and when you should use each one. Use degrees when you're talking to regular people or giving somebody directions. Use radians when you're doing calculus, most physics problem involving rotation, or when you use sine, cosine, tangent, and so on. So the angle can be measured in degrees or radians. For example, theta is equal 30 degrees and theta is equal pi over 3. If you see a little circle on top, then you know the angle is in degrees. And if you don't see that circle, then the angle is in radians. For example, theta is 1. It means theta is equal 1 radians. Now, what's the definition of a radian? A radian is the measure of central angle of a circle, where the arc length is equal to the radius of the circle. What does that mean? Let me explain on circle. Here is the center of the circle, and the radius is a distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle that we show here with R. And if we draw the length of the radius but as an arc, let's say that also R, and if we connect to the center to the edge of that point, and here also the radius, and arc length is equal to R and is the same as the radius of the circle. So this angle is 1 radian. 1 radian. So keep this in mind. If you want to find the angle theta, you can divide the arc length, which is known S, by the radius. So we have theta is equal S over R, and that will give you the angle in radians. Let me give you another example. If the arc length is 18, that's distance between these 2 points. Let's call it point A and B, and the center of the circle is C. Now, awesome. The radius of the circle is 9 centimeter and the arc length is 18 centimeter. So we have theta is equal 18 centimeter divided by 9 centimeter is equal to radians. And remember that 6.28 radians is full circle and 3.14 radians is half circle and 1.57 is a quarter circle and 1 radian is equal about 57.29 degrees. And we want to find the distance between these 2 points around this portion of the circle. So here is the theta, and theta is equal 4 radians, and 1 radians is equal 57.29. So 4 radians is equal 23, about 23 degrees. So theta is here. And if radius is equal 12 feet, and that's we're looking for arc length. So we know that theta is equal S over R. So S is equal theta times R. So S is equal 4 radians times 12 feet per radians, and the unit radians cancel, so we have 4 times 12 is equal 48 feet. Okay?